Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Today we will read class 7 subject SST unit number 3. Our first short question is define atmosphere. It is a layer of gases surrounding the earth. The gravitational attraction of the earth pulls the gases around it. Question number 2. What are water vapors? Water on the earth evaporates due to sunlight. Such vapors are called water vapors. Our third short question define ozone. Ozone is one of the important gases found in 15 to 30 kilometers of the upper layer of atmosphere. It absorbs ultraviolet rays emitted by the sun and protect the earth from UV rays. UV mean ultraviolet rays. Question number 4. What are permanent gases? Permanent gases means compound present in our lower atmosphere that remains constant over time. They are also known as fixed gases and non-variable gases. Our short question number 5. Define variable gases. The gases present in trace and varying amount in the atmosphere but essential for continuity of life are known as variable gases. Question number 6. What are chlorofluorocarbons? CFCs is the abbreviation of chlorofluorocarbons containing atoms of carbon, fluorine and carines. CFCs gas is used in refrigerators and in manufacturing of various sprays and perfumes. Our first long question is describe permanent gases in detail. Permanent gases means the compound present in our lower atmosphere that remains constant over time. They are also known as fixed gases and non-variable gases. These gases are essential for life on Earth. Two permanent gases found in the atmosphere are nitrogen, oxygen. 99% of the atmosphere is composed of these two gases. The percentage of nitrogen in the atmosphere is 78 and oxygen 21. What do you know about variable gases? Variable gases present in trace and varying amount in the atmosphere but essential for continuity of life are known as variable gases include number 1 carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is the heaviest among all gases. Its percentage in atmosphere is 0.03 to 0.04. It is also essential for the existence of life on Earth. Burning of coal, oil, petroleum, natural gases, and various energy resources contribute in enhancing the carbon dioxide level. However, increased level of carbon dioxide is harmful. Number 2, water vapors. Water present on earth evaporates due to sunlight. Such vapors are called water vapors. Number 3, ozone. Ozone is one of the important gases found in 15 to 30 kilometers of the upper layer of atmosphere. It is present in Earth's it is present in Earth's stratosphere, absorbs ultraviolet rays emitted by the sun, and protects the Earth from UV rays. If ozone gas was not found in the atmosphere, then UV rays could directly reach the Earth and could be dangerous for living organisms. For the survival of human life, ozone gas must be present in the atmosphere. Our long question number 3 is write detailed note on structure of atmosphere. The atmosphere is divided into 4 layers. First layer is troposphere. The troposphere is the lowest portion of atmosphere having average depth of about 16 kilometer. In this layer, the temperature generally decreases as altitude the increase. Almost all the weather conditions such as cloud formation, rainfall, wind, etc. take place in this layer. We live in troposphere. It contains more than 75% of the atmosphere. Number 2. Structure. It is the second layer of atmosphere and lies above the troposphere. It starts from 16 km to 15 km. Its highest point of temperature is minus 15 degrees Celsius. Ozone layer is found in stratosphere, which filters the rays of sunlight. Number 3. Mesosphere. It is the coldest layer of Earth directly above stratosphere. It lies from 80 km above the Earth's surface. Number 4. Thermosphere. It is the directly above the mesosphere. It extends from 80 km above the Earth. Our question number 4. Write a note on change in climate conditions. Climate conditions on Earth are changing continuously. The main reason is behind these changes in man himself. Humans are cutting forest for construction of homes and buildings. Cutting off forest and trees has negative impact on atmosphere. Moreover, release of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is increasing the temperature constantly. Smoke, toxic gases, and various other elements releasing from energy resources are affecting the climate badly. Climate changes are not only affecting the human life but also the life of animals and plants. The need of the earth is that for protecting the environment, awareness should be given to people at global level.